Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today's the 30th of May 2014. Once again, like always, we'll be looking at the majors, and today we're looking at the US Japanese yen. I'm going to take it from the monthly all the way down to the 1 hour using the Elliott Wave analysis. Okay, fine. So once again, as before we start, please go through the disclaimer, stop, read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. So now let's get to the charts. I've started on the monthly chart. As you can see, it's let me clear some of these points off, lines off, and that's a little bit better. Right. So we can see here the monthly, this is the US Japanese yen on the monthly chart. We've taken our 0.0, our wave count, from the 24th of July 1998. And the larger wave degree is a supercycle that's been in blue in brackets. So there's the 0, there's A, and B is up here. Okay, so when we break that down, we break it down to a cycle which is black, also in a corrective position. So there's the A, there's the B, there's the C, which has completed the A wave of the supercycle, and then we have an A, B, and C. So if you want to have a look at it a little bit more clearer, you can see here, here's the A, there's the B, and we're in the C wave accordingly. So let's now knock it down to the daily chart so you can have a look and see exactly where we stand on the daily chart. Once again, it is a little bit busy, that is right. And we've said already that we're in a C wave of a cycle degree, and the C wave has 5 waves, which is the primary waves. The primary degree being red, and that's in circles. So there's the 1, and let's now look for the 2. So wave 2 hasn't yet completed. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to break this down into the 4-hour chart so we can have a better look exactly where do we stand accordingly. So there's the 1. So we're really looking for a wave 2 of the wave of the primary degree, and primary degree being in green. So as you can see, the level down is at 98,304, and that's at the 61% retracement level. That's assuming that our wave count, of course, is right. As you can see, there we go. If I can clear that up as best as I can. So there's the 1, and we have the 2 down here waiting for a larger move down. So the subwaves are the intermediate, that's been in green in brackets, and it's also in a B, C correction move, and A has been completed on the low of February the 3rd at 5 o'clock, and the B completed at the high of April the 3rd, 9 o'clock, and when the C wave moved down. So what we want to do, we want to have a look a little bit more granular. So if we knock it down, we can actually just keep it on the daily chart, 4-hour chart, and what we do, we look at the minor wave, which is pink in brackets, and we can see a little bit better about that larger wave degree, the internals, which is of the intermediate being a green in brackets. So when the C wave down, there's the B wave, and we're trying to aim our projections down to here, right? So what we're now looking at, we're looking at the subwaves of it, and if I can bring that up a bit so you can see it a little bit better. I need to take it to the 1 hour, to be honest, to tell you, so you can have a better granular feel. So there's the subwaves of the intermediate. There's the counting 0 and 1 is here at the low of April the 10th, and wave 2. Let's have a look at that a little bit better. Yeah, so the minor wave, as we were just talking, I've taken it down to the 1 hour now, so we can see. So there's the minor wave in pink, minor degree, so 0, 1, and the 2 came up to the 61.8%, yes, to the 61.8% Fibonacci level, and we're in a wave 3 down, and that's the wave 3 that we're trying to capture. So let's try to zoom it all in so you can have a better look of where we stand. Yep, so we put the wave 3 down here, and that's a 100% move. So what we're actually trading, we got a couple of trades kicked in at 101.820, and they're all in profit right now. 16 pips, 18 pips, 19 pips, all targeting various different levels. We've broken that down further to get the minute wave, which is the blue in circles, and currently we're in a wave 3 down of that, because the wave 1's completed up there, wave 2's completed up top here, and also in a wave 3, which we have various targets levels on. When we break down the degree cycle even further, we can actually break it down, and we can see wave 1, wave 2 of the minute. So as you can see, I've taken it down there, and I've left the other sub-levels in red in brackets just so we can just follow through. Doesn't mean we're following it in terms of like making our wave counts. It's just helping us for our justifications accordingly. So we've got different levels at the 78 point here at 101.20, 100.787, 100.347, and 99.807 is our levels, which we're taking as our profit targets. And the ultimate, of course, is going to be way down. Don't know if we can get it on the 1 hour. Let's take it back to the 4 hour. Right, so the ultimate target, if you're going to aim for getting the whole of the C wave, will be at 98.304. But you know, we're not targeting that low. We're targeting the minute degree, which is blue in circles, and we're taking it as far as 99.807. So that's really where we're looking for our necessary targets to come in play. Yeah. Okay, fine. So basically, trades are currently in profit. The other trades which we took entries at 101.583, that's 101.583, is in a small loss of 6 pips, 5 pips accordingly. And we're waiting for that bigger wave move to come down. Of course, our wave count we will have another wave count pattern to go the opposite way based on the 1 hour. Let me show you on the 1 hour, because we need to see these levels taken out and brought down. Once this level here at 101.433 is taken out, then we will be sure that our wave count is correct. That's why this point here is important, and also if this point is taken out, then we can assume we're going to go for the next levels, which is 101.120, taking out this level, and then we could probably see a larger move down. So just watching the support and resistance levels accordingly. Okay, fine. So I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you.